Hi, this is Brian McHenry of McHenry Software. It's a quick note on a new grid option that we've added to the version 1.2 upgrade. When you first start it up, you may see this grid that we see in this picture right here when you do My First Project, or the grid is universal, meaning once you turn it on, it stays on until you turn it off. But it's basically controlled by this grid that's over here and the arrow there. If that isn't displayed, you click on the sky or the ground and it'll bring that up. One of the things you can do there is you can change the size of it, the increment, the elevation of it, and you can change the color too. And once you make changes, the changes don't take place until you actually hit OK. So if we say OK, now change to blue. See the blue? Main reason for the grid is that sometimes in sizing or when you're setting up your runs, you want to see a grid. And you see we have a grid now for use for reference. To turn off the grid, you simply select hide, click OK, and now when you run it again, it's gone. Also, if you want it at a certain elevation for 3D, you can set it again by take the hide off. Let's put it down. I believe the bottom of that ditch is -10. Now you notice how it shows a grid just on the bottom because the rest is the ground is over it. But that can give you some kind of scale. Well, how many feet from here or there if you have a scale in the picture and it's at the scene. Again, to turn it off, you just select hide. Also, you notice there's an arrow here which signifies the origin. You can turn that off also. See, that turns it off here and there. If you ever need to get to it, you just simply click on the sky or the ground. For example, if we're looking at the bitmap, it's not there, so you just click on the ground outside of the bitmap that your underlay that you have. Thank you very much.